Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in the Credit People account on PC. Credit People helps you rise your credit score and improve your reports through credit repair scores. To log into Credit People account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.thecreditpeople.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of the Credit People. Now here you can see Client Login option on the top right. Click on Client Login. Then you'll be directed to the login page. Now here to log in, you need to first enter the correct username of your account on the given box. After this, enter the correct password of your account on the given box. Similarly, if you want your account to be kept signed in, then you can click on Keep Me Signed In option. With this, if you don't remember your password, then click on Forgot Password option. After entering all your credentials, click on Log In. With this, you'll be logged into your account and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, if you haven't completed your order, then you can complete your order. As you can see here, my account Hanet Noah has been logged in. This is how we can log into the Credit People account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.